So iOS 17 Beta 1 is now free for everyone and you can easily download and install it without an Apple developer account. Let's jump right into the tutorial. You want to open Safari and then go to this website. I will leave the website link in the video description. You then have to tap on the two lines at the top left corner of the screen. Now click on the Account button. And the next step is to sign in with your Apple ID. And you don't have to be a paid Apple developer, so don't worry. Just enter your Apple ID in order to log into this developer website. Once you are signed into this page, you will see that it looks something like this. You will see a blue Enroll Today button, but you don't need to click that. You just need to exit this and then go to the software update section in the settings on your iPhone or iPad. You will now receive the iOS 17 developer beta and you can download it and install it on your device. But if it's not showing up in the software update section, then restart your iPhone and it will show up for you, then you can install it and enjoy iOS 17 on your device. If this video was helpful, then leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next one.